Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model S. First, let's talk about the key fob. It's designed to look just like a miniature Model S. To unlock your car, simply press the roof of the key fob once. You'll notice the flush door handles will then extend automatically, making it super easy to grab and open your door. It's a sleek and convenient way to get started. Another fantastic way to access your Model S is through the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Before you begin, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for a smooth connection. Once you're ready, simply open the app and tap the car icon. This action will instantly unlock your vehicle and present those elegant door handles, just like with the key fob. It's incredibly convenient. For those times when your key fob or phone isn't available, the Tesla key card is a great backup. To use it, simply swipe the card against the B-pillar, which is the post between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. This will unlock the driver's door. In a rare emergency, there's also a physical key hidden within the key fob that can manually open the driver's door. It's good to know you have options. Now let's cover how to exit your Model S. From inside, simply press the button located on the door handle to open the door. In an emergency, or if the power is out, there's a manual release lever conveniently located near the window switches that you can pull. Plus, for added security and convenience, your Tesla automatically locks itself when you walk away with your key fob or phone key. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.